Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Vector3 in Unity to control position, rotation, and scaling in your game development projects. What is Vector3? Vector3 is a struct in Unity that represents three-dimensional coordinates x, y, z. It is commonly used for defining positions, directions, and scaling in 3D space. Where is Vector3 used? Setting position, moving an object, determining direction, applying force physics, rigid body, rotating an object. Conclusion: Vector3 is essential in Unity for handling positions, movements, rotations, and scaling. It is widely used in physics simulations, character movement, and game mechanics. Using shortcuts like vector3.forward, vector3.up, and vector3.0 helps in writing cleaner and more readable code. Now, let's write a simple script that positions our sphere at a specific location when the game starts. Now, we create a variable called newPlayerPose of type vector3. This variable will store the position where we want our object to start. Then, in the start method, we set our object's position to this predefined vector3 value, ensuring that it spawns at the exact location we specified. Let's test it now. I am changing the position of our object. As you can see, when I start the game, the object inspector moves to the position I specified. Now, let's use the Transform.Rotate method. This method allows us to rotate our object along the specified axis. By applying this, we can make our object spin or change its orientation dynamically during the game. Let's test it. When you press play, you should see the object rotating in the direction we specified in the script. The rotation will happen continuously based on the values we provide for the rotation. Now, let's use Vector3 to make our object move forward, backward, and up or down. This method is commonly used in player movement systems, where we control the direction of the object's movement by modifying its position using Vector3 values. We can add forces along the x, y, or z axis to move the object accordingly. Now, let's test it. When you press play, the object should move in the direction we defined using Vector3. It will move forward, backward, and up or down based on the values we apply. You should be able to see the object moving according to the controls we set in the inspector. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.